Dr. Cindy Isenhour. I'm an associate professor at the University of Maine in the Climate Change Institute. My work focuses on environmental policy, climate policy, and particularly the climate impact of consumption. Let me tell you one thing I've learned, and that's that while climate drivers are very complex, one of the most important anthropogenic drivers, or drivers that are caused by humans, is what we call the linear materials economy. It takes a lot of energy and emissions to extract resources, manufacture products, and ship them around the world, then sell them, use them, and dispose of them. In fact, about 60% of global emissions can be traced to the production or use of household consumer goods and services. We know this because we have a wide range of tools that we use, from national level emissions inventories all the way down to fine scale analyses of the emissions embedded in certain products like various types of plastics that you see here. One of the most important tools we have is called life cycle analysis. This allows us to look at the emissions embedded in a product all the way from the beginning of its life cycle, the extraction of materials through production processes, distribution, retail, the use phase, and then disposal for everything like shoes, pots and pans, toys. Life cycle analyses tell us that for most materials, the majority of emissions occur upstream during extraction and production. Here's something else I've learned, and this is the good news. It's important to reduce the energy associated with production by using more efficient technologies or alternative energy sources. But life cycle analyses tell us that we can achieve even more reductions by keeping most existing products in use longer, essentially delaying or displacing the need to replace them with new extraction, production, distribution, consumption, and disposal, and all the energy that entails. Even better news is that by reducing our demand for new products, we can address a whole range of problems in addition to climate change, like resource depletion, growing waste streams, and biodiversity loss. So, in addition to advocating for climate action, there's something important that we can all do to mitigate climate change, and that's by participating in more circular economies, by repairing, buying more durable goods, and by ensuring that we're participating in secondhand markets. We're here today at a facility that processes donations. All the goods here have been for sale already in secondhand stores. And today, workers are tasked with trying to sort them into piles for recycling, for resale, and unfortunately, sometimes for the trash. We can all contribute to this important work by buying durable, high-quality goods, by repairing our items, by offering them for resale, by donating them, and by making sure that we're contributing to a more circular, sustainable economy.